parakeets. Parakeets in Leighton, they thrive. They're so noisy. I feel like every morning they have this little argument. These guys in this tree and those guys in that tree. Every now and then they all get annoyed with each other and suddenly they all just like go and they all fly around from one tree to the other. Let's see if I can capture it. So many of them. And if Alfred Hitchcock were alive today, living in this area as he did when he was alive, do you think he'd make the birds about parakeets? Because this is crazy. Look at that. I'm right underneath this tree. And you can see them here. Can you see all those little dots? And that tree over there, that's all parakeets too. Those little dots, that's all parakeets too. There's a couple of hundred, at least. Listen to that. You know who doesn't care about this wondrous moment of beauty and nature? This guy. PDJAF.